Tonight is a big night for our seniors. We haven't beat them 3 times in a row in the series. So for them to go out, especially with this year's pandemic and the long season of having a season or not having a season, it's something they can carry for them for the rest of their lives, since they won't have an opportunity to play in the postseason.
To us, it's just kind of like a sign of us, like as a small school, beating a bigger school like Westminster. It's just kind of like, you know, David and Goliath type of deal to us. It means a lot. I mean, it's like a trophy that we work so hard for, and you know, it's just a dogfight.
It would mean everything to me. Like, we have one game after this, but to me, this is like our championship game and our last game of the year. So that's how I'm looking at it.
All right, hey, captain for today. All right, Connor Marsh. Good job, kid. And he got accepted to Stanford today. Oh, yeah! Think of the journey, guys. Think of when we were out here in August and we had to be 5 yards apart and we couldn't touch a football. You have an opportunity to win a league title. 2 and 3 years. We continue, we keep rolling them. You guys got me?
Yes, sir!
That is the mentality tonight. Do not talk, all right? Play OV football. Let's go, love you guys. Loud and proud, get a break, let's go!
Let's go, let's go! Hey, win on me, win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win!
O-line, you guys gotta play harder. You can't accept them pushing you back. Good fish. Gonna fall. Yeah. Let's keep playing D. Don't let up. Let's go. Take a knee, take a knee, take a knee. Let's finish these guys. Yes, sir, all right, it's a 14-0. All right, they're still hanging around. This is nowhere near over. All right, hey, whatever hurts, it don't matter. Yes, sir. Whatever hurts, don't matter.
Yes, sir. Pull on me, pull on 3, 1, 2, 3.
No one's over there. Jerry! Jerry! Hey! Get your hands up! Let's go! Get a stop! Bring it up! Are we gonna quit?
No, sir!
We're limping around! We're acting like we're defeated and we're hurt! This is where you find a way! This is why we lift weights in August! We lift 5 days a week all summer! Find a way! You guys got me!
Yes, sir!
Jeffrey, dude. No.
Let's go!
Hey! You guys get a first down? It's over! Hey, we held on. You guys showed mental toughness. That's why we lift. That's why we do the things we do. That's why we challenge you guys at practice. You guys got me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, the most important part, another league title!
You know, I worked as hard as I could. I put everything I could into football and into academics. You know, Stanford's been my dream school since I was 8 years old. You know, since I first heard about it, I knew I wanted to go there. And I mean, it's been a dream come true. And in this game, I mean, it was a cherry on top for all of it.
I've been playing with these guys, a lot of them for, you know, not even my freshman year, since I was in 7th, 8th grade. So, you know, to be able to share this with them, but not only them, the coaching staff, you know, it really does make me emotional because this is big. It's something I'll never forget. This is something that taught me lessons, you know. This is all I could ask for.
1, 2, 3. Yeah!